Yes, sir. We changing some shocks. Yes, some shocks and struts. Yeah, this intro didn't go like I thought it would. What's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we are back again with another lit video. And yeah, we're working on the Armada again. 2 videos in a row. If you guys don't know, you're new to the channel. This is our 2004 Nissan Armada. It was my mom's truck. My mom, she passed in 2018, so we're just trying to keep this thing up and running and in the best shape it is. Perfect. At the best shape it can be. So today we're gonna change out some shocks. Pop said he didn't like the ride in it, and we got brand new tires on there, so why not change out the shocks, y'all? Hey, I've never done it before on this truck, so y'all be patient with your boy. This is not a how-to. If you're new to the channel, boom. Hey, don't do what I do, because I'm a fool, y'all. Just enjoy it as some entertainment. Yes.
Get him out of here, cuz!
But yeah, today we're just gonna go ahead and put on these shocks, y'all. Nothing too fancy. I'll probably do some quick little nice little boop 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 boops and bop 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 bops and the beep beeps and the B rolls and stuff like that.
Hey, who little boy is this?
So yeah. I'm getting sleepy, so I'm just talking crazy, y'all. And if y'all see I got the same shirt on, leave your boy alone, y'all. I'm trying to make double videos in one night, so just leave me alone, y'all. Let's get to work.
2,000 years.
Bruh.
Look at this food.
Hey yo, what the? All right, y'all. Now you want to make sure that your replacement part looks like your old part. They look close enough, man. It's not gonna be 100% because that's OEM and that's aftermarket. Oh, aftermarket. Oh, man, it's getting late. I don't know what's going on out here, y'all. I'm gonna cut y'all on when I get this done, y'all. That was kind of weird.
No.
Ah, look at that build. Look at that build. Oh, look at that build. Yeah. Man, no lie. Shoot, these struts are easy to change out, man. If you just starting out working on cars, you won't have too much problem with this. You just need a crowbar, a 19 mil, 14 mil, jacks and jack stands, bro. You can get this out easy. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm not gonna show y'all that. And hopefully I can get to the back shocks tonight, y'all. We're gonna see what happens. All right, let's go.
A few.
Whew. All right, guys. The back is even easier. All you got is these 19 millimeter bolts that go through up top and one at the bottom. It's you don't have to hold the nut on the back end because it's already stationary down there at the top and the bottom. And I done got tired, y'all. But shoot, no lie, this is an easy shock replacement and strut replacement. I'm already done with the front. I think it took me probably less than an hour, y'all. It took me more time to get the tire off and jack the car up than anything. So yeah, it's not too bad, y'all. Not too bad. If you want to tackle it, you can do it. You can get it done. I know if I can, I know you can. All right, let's go.
Papa's an immigrant, Mama's a superhero. We both grew up tumultuous as kids. Needless to say, they committed to making sure that he grows up much. Up and choose over his race, and if it matters in the system that we built a space for everybody to say listen that we see the same headlines. People that don't look like us.
Gorge. Hey, Tom. Hey, Tom.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I reckon I ain't coming over there.
Huh?
You about to finish up or you?
Yeah, this is my last one.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's it, gang. Sorry I didn't show y'all the end footage. It's because it's late. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I still gotta go to work. I gotta get up at 7, so I need to get into bed. This is it. I just wanted to bring you guys along, you know what I'm saying? I need to stop doing work without y'all, because I do work all the time on these cars, and I don't bring y'all along. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys you know will subscribe, consider subscribing. I'm tired, you know, my brain's not going good, but thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool. Psych.
Now I get to have all this chicken to myself.
All right. I need one of them in my life.
Got me in the car now.
That look good?
Yeah.
I'll show you a little
Perfect.
preview. Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
I'm gonna come up close and I'm gonna walk backwards.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, gang. Look what we got behind us today. It's the 2021 SQ5 in that blue. What is it? that ultra blue metallic color. And y'all know on here we be uncut and unraw.